Ukraine successfully destroyed several Su-34 Strikers and a Pantsir air defense system at the Kursk airfield in Russia. Each Su-34 costs from $40 to $50 million. Kursk is located about 70 miles from the Ukrainian border. With law enforcement missing in action in Shebekino due to the Russian liberation movement rolling in with tanks, pillaging by the locals has begun. This is a grocery store that was burglarized at night.
Наверное, что-то вынесли. Вот они позаклеивали. Ну, они вон, гляньте, что они, все равно дырки. Офигеть, это вот наши.
A fragment of the battle legionnaires from the village of Novaya Tavljanka. The battle is going on. China-owned lumber mill set on fire by arsonists in Tasivo, Russia. Helicopters used to try to extinguish the fire that covers 2 acres.
Сейчас.
Russian propagandists are not very optimistic about the current situation. They think it is much worse than it was in 2014-15.
Только теперь ситуация, в отличие от 14-15 годов, для нас гораздо хуже. Почему? Потому что политически тогда это выглядело как? Украина воюет с народными республиками, которым помогает Россия. То есть Россия как ключевой игрок не вступил. И многие говорили, а вот если бы вступила Россия, тогда бы уж точно Украине пришел бы конец. Теперь что получается в новой конфигурации? Получается в их логике, что Россия вступила и не смогла добиться решающего успеха. Как говорили американцы еще в апреле прошлого года, тогда бита уже ваша последняя финальная карта.
Mobilized from Khanty-Mansi Autonomous Okrug, Russia, recorded a video message about the situation in the 1307th Regiment, where, after the change of commander, the military began to be treated like cannon fodder. Here's what they say. The service is being held for the 8th month. We have been on the territory of the Special Military Operation for the 4th month. In early May, a local who hails from Ukraine was appointed commander of the battalion. Previously, he commanded near Kremina. Then they lost a whole regiment there. The new commander canceled the rotation. We stopped washing, shopping for groceries. All the cars are broken, and we are not allowed to fix them. We repeatedly asked for food and water on the radio. The regiment commander said, "Not small, they will suck." They put sticks in the wheels. In addition to the machine gun and bulletproof vest, we are not provided with anything. Not a single humanitarian aid has reached us. It is sold by the command. During all this time, they gave 4 cans of condensed milk. We were removed from our positions and sent forward to dig in the forest field. Allegedly, the next day you will be replaced by one of the contractors. As a result, we came under mortar fire and enemy attack. We spent 16 hours lying in a ditch while the tank and artillery worked on us. After that, we were deceived into positions. The commander brought people to the point of no communication and said, "You are coming under the control of a PMC," after which he left. Once, a platoon commander was hit by a shell and tore off his leg. The battalion commander ran away without providing any help. There was no evacuation. For several days, we couldn't pull the wounded from the battlefield. When we started complaining about the lack of thermal imagers and walkie-talkies, threats began to come in. If you continue, the division commander will come and shoot the complainers. If that doesn't work, he will deploy batteries and simply smash the positions of the mobilized. We are being thrown to the slaughter. We have been given to understand that we are cannon fodder, and with our lives the task will be accomplished. We do not refuse to carry out the task, but without the support of the command, we cannot do this.
Придет из контрактников, вас должны поменять. Идти налегке, ничего с собой не брать, кроме переносимого ПК. Что мы и сделали? Выдвинулись.
In Moscow, employees of Expo Estrands are the largest forwarding company in the exhibition market. Their slogan, "Trust Exhibition Cargoes to Professionals," smashed a metalworking center worth $300,000. While in Moldova, Ukraine's President Zelensky warned Russian troops occupying Transnistria in Moldova to leave if they want to survive. A joint operation between Moldova and Ukraine to liberate the territory may be on the horizon. As a result of the shelling by Putin's troops of the Belgorod region, the village of Maslova Pristan, 2 people were killed and 2 were injured. Putin's terrorists fired at a section of the road in the village of Maslova Pristan, Shebekinsky district. Shell fragments hit cars passing by. 2 women were traveling in one of them. They died on the spot from their injuries. There are 2 victims in the second car. One man has shrapnel wounds to the chest. The second has shrapnel wounds to the lower extremities. In serious condition, they were taken to the hospital. This is how Kiev meets its defenders. Refugees from Shebekino, Belgorod People's Republic, were temporarily accommodated in the Belgorod Arena sports complex, although they were promised hotels. Why were they not taken further to Russia? Today, and a couple of days ago, I saw that the places where refugees live were shelled by Putin's troops. They say they lost their jobs. The war has come to the territory of Russia, and this is just the beginning.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.